So here's a question nobody expected to ask this year. Where is the GoPro Hero 14? For nearly a decade, GoPro has followed the same rhythm. Late year teaser, big Hero Black launch, rinse and repeat. But this time, there's been silence. No countdown, no leaks turning into confirmations. And that silence is exactly why the Hero 14 rumors are exploding right now. Today, we're unpacking what's really happening behind the scenes, why this delay might actually be intentional, and whether the Hero 14 could end up being GoPro's biggest upgrade in years. Stick around because the reason for the delay changes how you should think about buying a GoPro right now. Let's start with what we know for sure. As of now, the GoPro Hero 14 Black has not been officially announced or released. That alone is unusual. Instead, GoPro shifted focus this cycle, launching products like the Max 2 and a more budget-friendly action camera aimed at casual users. And no, this does not mean the Hero Black line is dead. GoPro has already confirmed it is still very much alive. Most credible leaks point to a delay, not a cancellation. And here's where it gets interesting. Over the past few years, even loyal GoPro fans have complained that upgrades were starting to feel incremental. Better stabilization here, a small sensor tweak there. So the prevailing theory is that GoPro intentionally hit pause to avoid releasing another safe update. Trust me on this one. A delayed launch is often a sign of ambition. According to leaks, GoPro wants the Hero 14 to feel like a meaningful step forward, not just a Hero 13 with a new sticker. That means bigger internal changes take more time. New sensors, new processing pipelines, new software features that actually matter. In other words, GoPro may be trying to reset expectations and remind people why the Hero line mattered in the first place. That strategy is risky, but it is also the only way to regain momentum in a market where competitors are moving fast. Now let's talk about the leaks everyone is buzzing about, starting with video. The headline rumor is 8K recording. GoPro has stayed at 5.3K, while rivals like Insta360 pushed higher resolutions. If the Hero 14 launches with 8K, it is not just a numbers game. It gives creators more flexibility to crop, stabilize, and future-proof footage. Another major rumor is a new image sensor designed to improve low-light performance. This has been one of GoPro's biggest weaknesses for years. Cleaner night footage, less noise indoors, and better dynamic range at sunset would be a massive quality-of-life upgrade. Stabilization is also expected to evolve, with whispers of HyperSmooth 7 bringing improved horizon lock and smoother results during extreme motion. Here's where things get practical. Audio is rumored to see real improvements, possibly with better onboard microphones or even wireless mic support without adapters. For vloggers and moto riders, that alone could be huge. Battery life is also expected to improve, either through a slightly larger battery or smarter efficiency from a new processor. And then there's software. GoPro is reportedly leaning harder into AI-powered features, smarter auto edits, better subject tracking, and tighter integration with the mobile app and cloud tools. This fits perfectly with GoPro's push toward subscriptions and faster workflows rather than just raw specs. So when does the Hero 14 actually show up? Most leaks point toward early 2026. Not tomorrow, not next month, but soon enough to matter. Community reaction has been split. Some users are frustrated by the wait, while others are cautiously optimistic. And honestly, that second group might be onto something. If GoPro delivers even part of what is rumored, the Hero 14 could feel like a true reset for the brand. Until then, the Hero 13 Black remains the flagship, but make no mistake, the longer this delay stretches, the higher the expectations climb. So now, I want to hear from you. Would you rather wait for a big leap or get smaller upgrades every year? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the moment GoPro finally makes Hero 14 official.